Okay, so this is just a quick video of my attempt to change FreeBSD into Linux Mint Cinnamon. So believe me, it was a nightmare and I didn't even really succeed. So let's look at it. Right, so if you look at, okay, let's go to Cinnamon first. It's just a base install. I think I changed the background, but this is pretty much the default stuff. Menu is just a normal Cinnamon look. And here's my FreeBSD, which is pretty cool to make to change FreeBSD to look like Linux Mint. Pretty cool. I didn't even know that was possible, and it looks much better. So you have to obviously install Cinnamon, the Cinnamon desktop on FreeBSD, and that's the easy part. Difficult part is changing all this, well, background and the start menu. But to make it look exactly like Cinnamon, I just gave up. So let's go quickly to the themes. So this is the stock theme. If you go into advanced, the mouse pointer is Babata Modern Classic. I've installed Babata. I just couldn't get the mouse pointer to change over. Applications, they use the Mint White Dark Aqua. And they use for the desktop the same Mint White Dark Aqua. And then for icons, they use Mint White Sand. So I tried to make FreeBSD exactly like this, but yeah. What is it? What is that error? Windows? What? Oh, I don't know. My network is down for some reason. Right, so where was I? Let's go to FreeBSD settings, themes. As you can see, I succeeded in changing the icons to Mint White Sand. As you can see, it's this yellowish type of color. So if you change that to the default ones, it's ugly. Add white, whatever that is. And then applications, I've succeeded in getting the Mint White Dark Aqua, but it's the white one. And I couldn't get the dark variant to show up here. So, my goodness. I even tried to delete the light variant, but nothing. Right, mouse pointer the same. I've copied it to, so everything needs, it's very easy. You just have to copy it to the right folders. But yeah, it doesn't work. Right, Mint White Dark easier. It's not bad, but for some reason the taskbar is white now, and it shouldn't be. So obviously there is custom changes that Linux Mint Cinnamon did in here that you can't recreate fully, but that should be dark though. But Orcus Dark is pretty close to what I want. Right, so that's close as I will get that, but it still looks good. I mean, go through menu. I don't like these icons, obviously. So what you have to do is, I'm gonna have a full video on how to do this, but all of the icon files and theme files is in these folders. So that will be, what is it now? Share. And then either icons. So if we go to icons, so you have to download the Mint Y or Mint X. There's the Mint Y Sand. All these files. There's the Babata. So they said to copy it into the icons section. And as you can see, it's in the modern folder. There is the icon that I want. Where is it now? The left one icon. As you can see, that little fat icon. But yeah, it's not going. So yeah, that's the folder for that. And then the themes folder is just themes. There you will have the mint white dark aqua that I wanted. And I don't know why, but I screwed it around so much. I probably deleted those files. There's mint x sand. I don't know. These files beat me, so I jumped into this meat grinder and I'm done. Goddamn done. Anyway, that is pretty much it. But yeah, it looks way better than the stock default FreeBSD look. Good.